So what we're finding at the moment is a massive shortage of skills within the industry, especially when it comes to soldering. So what we've decided to do is work in conjunction with IPC, Nanoelectronics and Grimsby Rail to run the insight into electronic manufacturing. So the idea is to put together a small sort of seminar and trade show and collaboration really to try and bring companies into the industry, find people that want to work within the industry to try and boost electronic manufacturing and people that need to work within electronics. So the idea is, if we can, is to try and boost people that are moving into the industry, get them to understand what's in the industry and trying to teach them information about the industry itself.